Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Linda and I'm with Circle Heart Creations. Y'all, we're gonna do a cute little craft tonight. So I'm thinking I might go with the metallic brown. Chocolate brown, go figure. Chocolate brown, y'all, metallic by Folk Art. So whenever you see that little diamond there, this is from Hobby Lobby. So it is going to be like a country glam maybe. So that's what we're going to call this. Alright, so we got that going on and I am sweating in Texas. So I'm just gonna do black there on the bottom. Y'all, this is gonna be so easy. I mean, it's just easy. I'm just using a chalk paint here by Waverly in the color ink. It's just a black, y'all. I'm not going to worry about this top up here because we are going to put this fur on the top. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use our bling wrap. Yeah, we're going to use that tonight, just at the bottom there. So y'all, look, this bling wrap, look at it. Let's see if I want one or two string. I think just one. We're going to do one strand. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in the back here. But I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. This Fabri-Tac, I'll tell you what, I love it. So if you don't want to use hot glue, this is Totally Dazzled. So you can find this on totallydazzled.com. Y'all, go check out that website. Go check it out. Okay, so now we've got some bling going around that boot. Alright, so I think right now we're going to put this on. Alright, so we'll be, how are we going to do this? I don't know. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece. Look at this fur. I like that fur. It almost looks real. I'm just going to take this and I think I'm going to glue it. Yeah, I know what to do. Okay, so I'm going to take my Fabri-Tac again. You can use hot glue, whatever you have, but this seems to work for me pretty good. We'll go inside. Let me see if I can get this in here. Y'all, this is one of those. Oh, I even got this on sale for $2 or $3. I think I even got that on sale for $3. Alright, so now, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's put this bling on. We're just going to go ahead and put this on. Let me see if this is going to fit. I think I'm going to have to cut this one. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. Never know. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this glue on there. Alright, so I'm going to use these two ribbons, and I'm going to make a bow on this, on one side of this boot. just going to, all right, so let's see, how do I work this? Y'all, I am not a bow maker. Y'all know that about me. I always say that. I'm not liking the double. Never mind that. I did all that for nothing. What I gotta do, I think I'm gonna put this on top of here. Okay, so we have this on top. I just like that green. Y'all, you can use anything. Stripes would be cute. I just wanted this green color. And then what we're going to do is, I think that'll work. I don't know how much of this I'm going to cut off, but I'm going to just start here. I want a little bit of greenery with this right here. I'm going to cover too much of the boot. I'm going to put hot glue on this because it is going to go on this fur. Okay, look. So we have that going on. I know it kind of looks big on here, but I don't think so. So we're just going to add this. Now look, so this is a brochure. This is a brooch. Why do I say brochure? I think I'm still at work. So this is a brooch. So, you know, you can either take that off, or let me see if I can just make this work. All right, so we got that piece there. Okay, so now we're gonna do some rhinestones, y'all. Yeah, this is how your picker pen will come like that. Okay, let's get some of this on here. I think I'll use those big ones. So I'm just dabbing, and that's another thing, so easy. So easy. I say that, but I can't pick up these big ones. I can't pick up these big ones. I think I have blue on my deal. There you go. Isn't that cute? Alright, and then now you just embellish how you want. I can do on the other side too, but we'll do that. Anyway, okay, so now, y'all, I'm just gonna add, I don't know what I have over here. We're just gonna add some stuff. And because I put that fur in there, I don't think I have to put floral foam, but we'll see. Anyway, y'all, listen. I can't get it to work. Anyway, so put your greenery in here, and here's your boot. Look at that boot. So we have the bling wrap going on. We have the applique that you can put on your boot, and there's that big antique bronze piece there, and then you can use your rhinestones just to embellish however you want. Y'all, this doesn't look good.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.